Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Startup Company and today we would like to present about overhead and job costing. So this is our group member. First is me as a General Manager of Startup Company, and then Operation 1 Ahmad Huzaifah bin Nur Azlan, and Operation 2 Siti Nur Najah binti Muhammad Fauzi. Our product is chocolate bouquet. Chocolate bouquet is a kind of mixed chocolate arranged like a pretty flowers bouquet. It's a great gift for birthday, anniversary, and also to make someone smile. It is perfect for anyone who loves chocolate. Okay, next is our target unit of sale bouquet per month. For usual month, we target to sell 2,000 units per month. For other months like February, March, May and June, we target to sell more than 2,000 units because we have Valentine's Day, Women's Day, Father's Day, Teacher's Day. That's make our demand higher than usual. This is our competitors from Melaka. First one is Mama Surprise and also Bukit Tree Beradik. And this is the price. That sells 40 ringgit for per bouquet, and also that one is 50 ringgit per bouquet. There are many chocolate bouquet sellers in Melaka. They offer various type of bouquet and you can customize it depending on your budget. Next.
Okay, now let's proceed to material. We already divide it into direct material and indirect material. For direct material, total RM4.30. After we calculate the total for each bouquet, RM5.90. And for indirect material, total RM1.25. And then we calculate by per bouquet, we got 28 cents. And then we sum up the total 5.19 plus 0.28, we got 557 cents. Okay, and then next let's continue to our wage rate. We work 7 hours per day, and then our working operation 10 AM until 6 PM, and then we break on 1:30 to 2:30, and our working days 5 days per week, Monday to Friday. Next, we go to our calculation. For manager, 7 hours times 22 days, and then we got 154 hours. And then will be times to 11 ringgit. And then the manager got 1,694 ringgit. After that, will be divided by 2,000. Then we got 1 ringgit 80 cents per unit. Meanwhile, for operation, for both of us, we times with 10 ringgit, and then we got 1,540 ringgit, and then we will divide by 2,000 units too, and we will got around 1 ringgit 30 cents per unit. And then we will calculate about direct labor per unit. All of us salaries will be divided by 2,000 unit, and then we will got around 2 ringgit 39 cents per unit. Three of us we reach on hourly rate.
Okay, so this is our overhead cost. We have tool and equipment, rental and utilities. For tool and equipment, we only have scissors. Depreciation on equipment RM1.50 for 1 year. RM1.50 divided by 12 months, we got 13 cents. And for rental, we rent for kiosk RM500, and for utilities, electricity, monthly we pay RM120. Yeah. Okay, so this is our overhead cost per unit monthly OHA. OHA, the formula that we use for OHA is total overhead divided by total unit produced. So 0.13 plus 500 plus 120 divided by 2,000, the unit produced. That we got 620 13 cents, and divided by 2,000 we got 31 cents. Okay, let's move to the unit cost of production. For direct material per unit, we got RM5.19. Direct labor per unit, we got RM2.39. Overhead cost per unit, we got 31 cents. So the total production cost that we got is RM7.89. So this is our total cost, and our markup price is 90%. So we times them, we got RM7.10. So this is the formula for selling price. So the total cost RM7.89 plus RM7.10 that we got RM14.99. So we round up RM15 per unit. Okay, next this is our budget cost statement. For direct material, this is our formula to calculate the direct material, which is RM5.19 times 2000. We got 10,380. For direct labor, this is our formula, which is plus all the salary, all the labor salary that we got 4,774. So we total the direct material and direct labor, we got the prime cost 15,154, and add the production overhead 620.13 cents. We total the prime cost and the overhead, we got 15,774.13 cents.
Okay, next we move to quotation. This question for quotation. You have received above order from a client organizing a large birthday event to supply 300 units of your handmade gift to be used as the gift for a guest. So our company, startup company, located at Complex Perniagaan Al-Azim, and our client, Cik Dafina, which her house located at Taman Bahagia Bukit Baru. She ordered 300 units of our mini chocolate bouquet. So the price per unit RM50. So we will times to RM50. 300 times RM50, we got 4,500, and then shipping cost RM50, and the total RM4,550. That's it.
Last one, our receipt and related price. This is the evidence of us buying the raw materials. Okay, that's all from us. And to clarify, our total of cost is for 4 units of chocolate bouquet. So that's all from us. Thank you so much.